Have you ever imagined waking up one day and discovering that your small $100 Bitcoin investment has turned into a fortune? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream has been a reality for many? People have literally changed their lives by entering the crypto world at the right time, with the right mindset and the right strategy. In today's video, we're going to explore the real truth behind becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. Is it still possible, or has that ship already sailed? Get ready, because we're diving deep into facts, myths, and the kind of insights that could reshape your financial journey. Let's begin with the basics. Bitcoin isn't just internet money or some trend people are chasing. It's the world's first decentralized digital currency, created in 2009 by a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed to take power away from centralized banks and governments and give it back to the people. With a limited supply of only 21 million coins, Bitcoin has built-in scarcity, similar to gold. That's why many people now refer to it as digital gold. But unlike gold, Bitcoin can be sent across the globe in seconds with just a smartphone. That's the power of blockchain technology, and it's the reason why early adopters became so wealthy. Now, let's talk numbers. In 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. At the time, those coins were worth about $41. Today, they're worth over $250 million. It's not a joke, it's history. And stories like this aren't rare in the early Bitcoin world. People who bought and held Bitcoin when it was just a few cents or dollars have become multimillionaires. Take Christopher Koch, for example. He bought $27 worth of Bitcoin for a college project and forgot about it. These stories went viral, and they brought a flood of new people into the crypto market, hoping for similar results. But here's the truth. Most people only hear about the success stories. What they don't see are the thousands of people who invested emotionally, without research, and lost everything during a crash. The Bitcoin market is volatile. Prices can swing dramatically up 20% one day, down 30% the next. If you're not emotionally prepared or financially stable, you can lose sleep, money, and confidence fast. That's why Bitcoin isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about education, strategy, and patience. Millionaires are made not just by buying Bitcoin, but by understanding it deeply and sticking to a plan when things get tough. Most of them use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This means they invest small amounts on a regular schedule weekly, monthly, regardless of the current price. Over time, this averages out the highs and lows and reduces the risk of bad timing. Instead of betting everything at once, they build their positions slowly and steadily. They also diversify. It means they don't just hold Bitcoin. They research and invest in other promising cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. These are known as altcoins, and while they carry higher risk, they also offer higher rewards if you choose wisely. Another key ingredient, mindset. Successful crypto investors don't panic when the market crashes. In fact, they see it as an opportunity. Why? Because they understand the long-term vision. They know that Bitcoin adoption is still growing. Countries like El Salvador have made it legal tender. Major companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square are integrating Bitcoin into their platforms. Hedge funds and billionaires are adding Bitcoin to their portfolios as a hedge against inflation. So while the market may crash temporarily, the overall trend is upward and long-term holders benefit the most. It's also important to remember that Bitcoin isn't magic. It's not a shortcut to wealth. You need to study, stay updated, and think long-term. You need to secure your assets, properly use hardware wallets, avoid scams, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto space is full of opportunity, but it also attracts fraudsters. If you're not careful, your dream of becoming a Bitcoin millionaire can turn into a nightmare overnight. So let's go back to the big question: can you still become a Bitcoin millionaire with just $100? The honest answer is, it's unlikely, but not impossible. The days of turning $100 into millions overnight are mostly gone. But the opportunity for solid returns over time is still real if you're smart, patient, and strategic. You might not become a millionaire next year, but with consistent investing, research, and discipline, you could build serious wealth that changes your life in the next 5 to 10 years. That's the power of Bitcoin. It gives everyone a chance, not a guarantee, but a chance to participate in a financial revolution. and that's what makes it so exciting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. In our next video, I'll break down the top 5 crypto mistakes beginners must avoid so you can invest with confidence and avoid common traps. Till then, stay smart, stay safe, and keep building your financial future one smart step at a time.